that you have some chances to go straight and that you're not always just turning. Go straight. Yeah, there you go. Now go haunches in or shoulder in. Perfect. Now go straight. Yeah, now make a turn. Left or right, I don't give a crap. There, come. Sit it back on your butt and make the turn so you feel like you're turning the shoulders. Good, go straight. Yeah, good. Make a turn. Sit them down. Yeah, fine. And it doesn't even need to be a sharp one. You can make a turn and then go straight, right? Atta girl. So that he's not falling down, and then go straight and then make a turn, and you don't even need to counterflex. Try to keep his shoulders, try to keep his neck straight. That's what I meant to say. And turn his shoulders in your turn. Atta girl. Sit down. Don't counterflex him. Just make your turn with his neck straight. Good job. There, that's better, huh? You got to be able to have that a little bit. Don't counterflex him. Exactly. Keep his haunches from flying out, right? You're turning the shoulders. Atta girl, good. Now turn the shoulders. Don't do anything with his butt. That's it. Yeah, hold on to that left rein. Good. But do you know what I mean? He kind of leans and falls down on one rein or the other. Try to keep turning those shoulders so that you get onto the right spot. Okay. That was better, though.